Matthew from Sienna Plantation has a question about soft walls.
Well, he says something's going on, and he's going to take us for a little video tour around his house here.
Okay.
If you watch, he goes from one corner to another and walks around, and you'll notice these spots on the wall.
Yep.
He writes, I have soft areas in the walls of my 4 rooms in my home, which was built in 1999. I've had the roof inspected for damage, and none was found. I've had inspection for pipe leaks, and the only thing I haven't done was to tear the walls out to see what's going on behind them. I hope it's not termite damage. I'm 6'1", and the damage runs from about chest high along the walls. What say you, Tom?
Well, I think there's some kind of moisture problem.
Okay.
And sheetrock is cheap. Rudy's phone number is easy to get if you have to repair it, but it's time to cut a hole. Maybe 4 or 5 holes. You don't want this just festering. Obviously, you got a problem. Now, I've been in a room with soft walls, but unfortunately, I was in a straitjacket, and they didn't want me hurting myself.
Okay, he's kidding.
Recovery happened fine. I was good.
Stop.
But in this case, it's time to do some real heavy-duty inspection because of the health hazard. If it's soft, if you have those spots, there is water. Termites could be, or even carpenter ants could be a residual of the water being there, but we got to find out why. Is it an air conditioning line dripping? Is it a, who knows, plastic somebody put in the walls they shouldn't have done? We talk about vapor barriers. Don't use vapor barriers down here. It could be a result of something, but it's time to do a real good inspection. Sheetrock is cheap. If it's soft, it's got to come out anyway. So let's get it down and see what the heck's going on.
But your gut says moisture. It's maybe...
There's no doubt about it.
Yeah, so...
Why, I don't know, but you cut a big hole, you'll find out.
Well, and the idea that he had a roofer out and said there's no leak, in that roofer's opinion.
Yeah, I've had people say, well, I had a roofer out and he fixed it, but it's still leaking. What? Okay, right. The point is, and you could call Ideal Roofing, and you could have them do an inspection. There's nothing wrong with that. You can cut a hole and see what's going on behind the wall. Nothing wrong with that. Could it be a window? Could it be an air conditioning line? You could call air conditioning, call plumber. There's a lot you can do, but we've got to find out. And Charlie?
Yes, sir?
You got to stick your finger in it if you want to know if it's wet.
Cut a hole, get after it. Hey, we had the same challenge when we had a leak upstairs. It turned out to be a plumbing problem for us, and but it was one that it took 3 plumbers to find. No joke. It took 3 guys to finally find it.
There's definitely a problem, and you got to get the right people. But excuse me, I really think it's time for a visual inspection, and that means cutting a 4x4 hole, saying why is this here and what's happening. Get it out. Rudy can come back. Rudy, he can patch that sheetrock. He can paint it. The room will look gorgeous. It's got to be done anyway. But if it's soft, it's wet.
But first, they got to get to the bottom of it.
Of course.
All right.
How many years did he say? 9 years?
Yeah, well, the thing that struck me about it is, not to belabor the point, but the thing that struck me about it, Tom, is it's in multiple rooms, which tells me it's, from above. But
there's something going on, but there's only one way to find out.
All right. And there's only one way to make sure you get a good answer. That's visit HomeShowRadio.com. Even though Tom and I are miles apart practicing our safe social distancing, we're still close to you.
I actually like this because I don't like you touching me. That's okay. Stop it. Okay, you want to do that? I'll do that too.
Go ahead and send us your question. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on the Ask Tom button, fill it out, send it in. We'll answer it just like this. And, of course, if you subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell, we'll tell you when there's a new one posted.